Did you know what you eat can dramatically affect the health of your eyes? Yes, you heard it right. It's astonishing, yet true. Our eyes, those little windows to the world, are more connected to our plates than we often realize. Many of us are oblivious to the fact that our daily diet can be a game changer for our eye health. Imagine this. The colorful fruits and vegetables, the leafy greens, the nuts and seeds, they're not only adding color to your plate, but also to your vision. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are crucial for maintaining and enhancing our eye health. But it's not just about what we eat. It's also about our lifestyle choices. Regular exercise, enough sleep, and reducing screen time can all contribute to healthier eyes. So, there's an unseen, yet significant impact on our eyes through our daily habits and choices. Now that you are aware of the unseen impact on your eyes, let's delve deeper into the common eye health issues. We often underestimate the strain our eyes go through on a daily basis. Let's delve into some common eye health issues. First up, digital eye strain. This is a 21st century problem that's becoming increasingly prevalent as more of us spend hours glued to our screens. It can cause headaches, blurred vision, and even neck and shoulder pain. Dry eyes, another common issue, occurs when your eyes don't produce enough tears. It can cause discomfort and even affect your vision. Age-related vision problems, such as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, are also a growing concern. As our population ages, these conditions are becoming more widespread, impacting the quality of life for many. These issues are more common than you think, but fear not, there are ways to combat them naturally. The solution to better eye health may be simpler than you think. The path to healthier vision is a journey that begins with the basics: diet, lifestyle changes, and eye exercises. Our diet plays a significant role in our eye health. Nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, colorful fruits, and omega-3 rich fish can contribute to maintaining good vision. These foods are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, along with antioxidants that protect the eyes from harmful free radicals. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember your eyes are what you eat. Next, let's talk lifestyle changes. Reducing screen time, taking frequent breaks during work, and getting a good night's sleep can significantly decrease the risk of digital eye strain and dry eyes. Remember, your eyes need rest too. Now, onto eye exercises. Simple techniques such as blinking exercises, focusing on different distances, and eye rolling can enhance your eye flexibility and strength. Just a few minutes of these exercises daily can lead to noticeable improvements. And here's the game changer: a natural remedy that's shown significant results in improving eye health. It's none other than the humble carrot. Rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A, carrots help to protect the surface of the eye and contribute to strong vision. As it turns out, small changes can make a big difference in your eye health. So why not start today? Your eyes will thank you. To sum it all up, the key to better vision lies in the little things we do every day. Incorporating a balanced diet, practicing good lifestyle habits, and including eye exercises in your routine can significantly impact your eye health. Nature has bestowed us with incredible resources, and it's our job to utilize them for our benefit. A proactive approach can help prevent many common eye issues. Remember, your eyes are your window to the world, so it's essential to take good care of them. Now that you know the shocking truth about improving your eye health, the ball is in your court. We've journeyed through the unseen impact on your eyes, tackled common eye health issues, and explored the natural approach to better vision. You've been equipped with the knowledge that your vision's health can be significantly improved by simple changes in diet, lifestyle, and incorporating eye exercises. But remember, knowledge is only power when it's put into action. It's time to take ownership of your vision. Try out these natural techniques. Start with something as simple as blinking more often when using digital devices or incorporating a few more carrots into your meals. And don't keep this journey to yourself. Share your experiences, your struggles, and your victories. We learn the most when we learn together. So let's start a conversation. Share your eye health journey in the comments below. So, here's to healthier eyes and a clearer vision. Until next time, take care of your eyes. They are the only pair you've got.